Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. Today y'all, I am so excited because it is Tablescape Tuesday, and Tablescape Tuesday is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor along with AmethystAdventures. But this Tablescape Tuesday is a special one because we are celebrating one of our very own Debbie Bubbles. We are celebrating her birthday. I'm excited. Happy birthday, Debbie. Debbie is such a sweet, spirited lady. She is so bubbly. She's full of energy. She's full of laughter, and she just enjoys life. So I pray that the tablescape that I create for her, that she loves it and it represents her. So guys, go over and check out Debbie Bubbles. Tell her happy birthday from At Home with Lisa. Also check out the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and AmethystAdventures as well. So without further ado, love bugs, we're going to go ahead and get into this video and create this beautiful tablescape for Debbie Bubbles to celebrate her birthday. Now, there is one request that you have to use pink and black in your tablescape. So whatever you decide to do, make sure you have the colors pink and black in your tablescape. And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy to have you here with At Home with Lisa. I am Lisa, of course, and welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know we can't do this without you. And also, let's welcome our new love bugs. Hi, y'all. Hi. All right, you all, let's get into creating this happy birthday tablescape for our Debbie Bubbles. So I was thinking about Debbie and I was like, what does Debbie like? What does she use in her tablescapes? What does she use in the decor of her home? And she loves the cheetah print. Now, of course, I know this is not pink and black, but it does have the black in it. But you all just stay tuned and watch how I create this beautiful birthday tablescape for Debbie Bubbles with pink and black for her birthday. I thought this would be the perfect base for the tablescape because this is Debbie's favorite print, is the cheetah print. And if y'all know Debbie, y'all know this is her favorite. So now I am coming through with a pink chiffon runner here. And as you can see, I have kind of scattered it throughout the base runner, which is the cheetah or leopard print. So not to hide it, that's why or cover it up, that's why I just scattered the pink runner like I did, to not cover up the print that we have here. So Debbie, I hope you're liking this. It's coming together so far. So now I'm coming in with these black chargers. And I must say that I did purchase the 2 runners from Amazon. And you can just click on my Amazon storefront and it'll take you there if you're interested in purchasing it. So I did purchase the 2 runners from Amazon, and you can check it out on my Amazon storefront. So far we are sticking with the theme and we're sticking with the colors. So let's see what we're going to add next. So I have a cheetah print or leopard print napkin, and what I did was I folded in the shape of a triangle, and I just laid it on this charger, and I fold the ends under the charger. So that's what it's looking like. And you're going to see in the next clip why I did that. And it is lighter than the runner. So you have the same print, but one has like burnt orange or beige and something together going against that black, and this one is like a neutral beige color. But I promise y'all, it's all going to come together. You just have to trust the process. I can't get my words out today, y'all. I think it's because I'm just so excited. I can't get my words out. Okay, so the reason why I placed the napkin over the black charger, because I'm using a black plate. So that's my reason for doing that. Because the only plates that I had on hand, they are pink, but they are a very light pink, and it has like a brown color going through. So I felt like that would clash, that wouldn't look good. So that's why I did it like this and different. And I brought my plate all the way to the edge right here. I brought it all the way to the edge so you can see this. So I think I am going to go back, and I'm going to raise my napkin a little bit more just to make it a little bit more dramatic as well too. So I did give the place setting a little bit of drama. As you all can see, the napkin is hanging off of the plate, and then I added a saucer that has a totally different texture. The plate has like a soft, smooth texture, but the saucer is like a rigid, rough look and texture. So this is what it looks like, the place setting. I'm trying to get everything where it is cohesive together and gives a really nice look. And to make Debbie happy. Debbie, I really hope that you truly love this birthday tablescape that I created for you. I hope I was able to make you smile. And I am so happy to be a part of your birthday tablescape Tuesday. And without further ado, let's get into this reveal. So as far as the centerpiece goes, I decided to bring back a centerpiece that I had already used in the last tablescape, and I brought it back because why? Looky, y'all. Look what print we have in this centerpiece on this birthday tablescape for Debbie Bubbles. Again, if you are just tuning in, we are doing Tablescape Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and AmethystAdventures. And we are celebrating our girl Debbie Bubbles, and we are decorating and creating a tablescape with the colors pink and black. And I hope I was able to create a birthday tablescape that Debbie can appreciate. So as you all can see, I have one of her favorite prints that I have used throughout the table. And I had to add fall because you guys know this is the fall season. So I did add these copper leaves and spice candles. And y'all, these candle stands are so stinking cute. I did pick those up from the Kirkland's. They were on clearance for $11. So I picked up a pair and I just love them. And also to represent fall, I did add some pumpkins throughout this beautiful tablescape for Debbie. And then I just used some black accent decor pieces throughout this tablescape to give it a fabulous look, just like our girl Debbie. Now, I did decide to use like a pink wine glass, and also I decided to use a pink martini glass. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now these martini glasses I got probably last year from the home goods store, but these cute little things right here, they came from the Pop Shelf. And again, the two runners that I used, the leopard print and the pink runner, I did get from Amazon, and you should be able to see that in my Amazon storefront. And these candles, of course, came from Kirkland's as well. Now, I also went back to break up some of the black in the place setting. I have my pink napkin with my beautiful crown napkin ring for a beautiful queen whom we are celebrating on today. Those are cute. And I got those from Amazon as well too, you guys. And they should be in the Amazon storefront. So are we ready to sing happy birthday to our girl Debbie Bubbles? Yes, let's sing happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Debbie. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Debbie girl. I hope you enjoyed this tablescape, and happy birthday to you, and may God continue to bless your beautiful self. All right, you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go over and check out Debbie Bubbles along with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and AmethystAdventures. I hope you all enjoyed this tablescape. I hope you love this tablescape, because I did go a little bit above and beyond, because I like to press that red button sometimes. I like to put things together that you wouldn't imagine putting together. And you know what? That's one thing that Debbie and I do have in common. We will put things together that people generally don't think would go together, but once we put it together, it looks fabulous. And I think this tablescape looks fabulous. I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. All right, you all, give this video a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget again to go say happy birthday to Debbie Bubbles. All right, you guys, we will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See you in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.